Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today is another video of what TF did I order. So we're going to unwrap it together and find out what it is. It's not a heavy package, so I'm guessing that it's possibly an accessory. If so, that means it's just in time for Accessory August. And it is. So this, y'all, let me make sure nothing else is in here. It's not. This is a Carrington. And depending on which order I post my videos, this is another Carrington because I ordered a couple others in different colors. So this particular one, I'm glad they wrapped it in plastic, which is good. I think I still have one more color to go that I would like to add to the collection. So this, of course, the primary color is black. Let's take a look at the tassel to see how that looks up close. I see a couple of water spots. Nothing too bad. This one I did notice it looks like it's a little scuffed or scratched up more than the others, but I may just need to wipe it off. I see a little bit of like abrasiveness throughout there. You could probably see it reflecting. But all in all, let's take a look inside. The zipper's pretty good. Inside is not too bad, y'all. It does have the Dooney and Bourke label there. It doesn't have a smell or anything. It looks pretty clean. So I would say that this was a successful purchase. I got this particular Carrington on eBay. Oh, let me make sure this isn't cracked. Looks like it's just a scratch. I got it from eBay and placed a bid on it. I'm not sure exactly how much I paid for it. I'm thinking it was probably around $20 or less. In that family, it's in that ballpark. So not too bad. Like I said, I think it's one more color that I'm looking for, and fingers crossed that I find it. I'm still debating on if I want to get this in the actual silhouette, an actual satchel silhouette, or just stick to the Carringtons that I have so far. And I have two here with me now that I can show. So that'll probably help me with the order of the video because I got these two first. So this is 3 of them, and I have another one that I don't have in here with me. That's like a purple or hot pink color. So this is 3 of them. And I'm still going to be on the lookout for the white one. I think the white one's going to be the last color that I don't have. So comment below, y'all. Let me know if y'all like this particular color. If you think I should get an actual handbag in this particular material and print. And once I get all colors together, or I would just say with seeing these. So I'll do that. With seeing these, I don't have my other one, but of these 3 colors, which would you say would make a cute handbag with it? Actually, let me go get my other one. So I'll have all 4 that I currently have here now, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back with my original Carrington in this particular print. So this is why I kept kind of describing it as purple pink color. It's more kind of like, maybe it's darker than lavender. Not quite mauve, so I'll just say pink purple. So of the pink purple one, this one is considered more of like a teal colored, and this of course is yellow, and then black. The only one I don't have yet is a white one. So of these, y'all, which one would you say that you would think would look the best in a full silhouette, whether it's a satchel or a tote? So I'm just gonna call this purple for voting purposes. So purple, teal, yellow, or black. Which one should I get a full-size handbag in? Or if you think it should be more than one, which 2 should I get a full-size handbag in? Again, I've seen a tote and I've seen a satchel in probably all of these colors. But I wasn't sure which I should get or if I should get one at all. So purple, teal, yellow, or black. Please let me know in the comments, y'all. I think these are pretty cute to have, and they're definitely great features for Accessory August. So I look forward to reading you all's comments, and that will actually help me decide if I should stay on the lookout for a handbag in one of these color prints, or just stick with the wristlets themselves, or the clutch. They're wristlets and clutches, that's what they're called, but if I should just stick with the accessory itself. So thank you in advance for voting and letting me know, and I will make a video on my final decision after reading everybody's comments to see which way I would go with it. And again, thank you in advance. I'm looking forward to seeing what you all choose. Yay or nay, 1, 2, or 3, or 4. No handbag at all, or one in particular. So thank you all so much for watching, commenting, subscribing, liking, and sharing. I really appreciate it. As always, have a wonderful day.